How to scan a QR code on Fiverr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can scan a QR code on Fiverr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is make sure that your Fiverr is up to date. For that, head over to your app store and then search for Fiverr. After you search for Fiverr, simply open up your Fiverr and then make sure that you are up to date to the latest version. After you've done that, you can open up Fiverr, and after you open up your Fiverr, you can head over to the more option that is on the bottom right navigation bar. Then what you'll need to do is, for some, there is an option called QR code. You can tap on that, or for people there is a QR code option in the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and now make sure that your camera feature is turned on if it's not. So I'll just do that here. I'll do the microphone as well and then get back. Now if I tap on it again, there we go. Now all I need to do is scan the QR code, keep it between these frames, and it should start scanning the QR code. Now this process is normally used for logging into different devices such as your PC. So yeah, that is how you scan QR code on Fiverr. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.